last lecture, we have learned how to solve the quadratic equation by method of factorization. But examples such as x square plus 8x plus 9 equal to 0, we cannot factorize 9 whose term is 8. So, as we are going to study another method for solving the quadratic equation is completing square method. In this method, we are going to follow these 4 steps, of which first is transfer the constant term from LHS to RHS. Second step, if the coefficient of x square is not 1, then we are going to divide it to the both sides. Secondly, we are adding the coefficient of x, 1/2 into coefficient of x square to the both the sides, and taking so that LHS is a perfect square. Taking square roots on both sides, we are going to find the roots of the equation. Let's see the example. X square plus 8x plus 9 equal to 0. Here constant term is 9 and we are going to transfer from LHS to RHS. So we are left with x square plus 8x equal to plus 9. When we transfer to RHS, it becomes minus 9. Here coefficient of x square is 1. So 1/2 into coefficient of x square is equal to 1/2 into 8. 2 4 are 8, so 4 square 16. Adding 16 to both the sides. Adding 16 to both the sides, we are x square plus 8x plus 16 is equal to minus 9 plus 16. Here we have LHS, a perfect square of x plus 4. So x plus 4 bracket square is equal to 16 minus 9, we remain with 7. Taking the square roots of both the sides, we are x plus 4 is equal to plus or minus square root of 7. Therefore, x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 7. Hence, x is equal to either minus 4 plus root 7 or minus 4 minus root 7. Hence, the roots of given quadratic equations are minus 4 plus root 7 or minus 4 minus root 7. Let's see another example. 2y square plus 9y plus 10 equal to 0. Transferring the constant term to the right hand side, we have left with 2y square plus 9y is equal to minus 10. According to the second step, we have coefficient of y square is not 1. So, dividing the coefficient of y square, that means 2, dividing by 2, we get y square plus 9 by 2y is equal to minus 10 by 2. 2 5 are 10. So, y square plus 9 by 2y is equal to minus 5. Now, 1/2 into coefficient of y square is equal to 1/2 into coefficient of y is 9 by 2. 1/2 into 9 by 2 square, that is 9 by 4 square. 9 square 81, 4 square 16. We are left with 81 upon 16. So, adding 81 by 16 to both the sides, we get the left hand side as complete square. So, y square plus 9 by 2y plus 81 by 16 is equal to minus 5 plus 81 by 16. The left hand side is a square of y plus 9 by 4. And right hand side 16 5 are minus 18 plus 81 divided by 16, that is 81 minus 80, 1 upon 16. Taking square roots, we have y plus 9 by 4 is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 upon 16. Square root of 16 is 4. Hence, y plus 9 by 4 is equal to plus or minus 1 by 4. And hence, y is equal to, transferring 9 by 4 to the right hand side, we have y is equal to minus 9 by 4 plus or minus 1 by 4. That is minus 9 plus or minus 1 divided by 4. So, either y is equal to minus 9 plus 1 by 4, that is minus 8 by 4 is equal to minus 2, or y is equal to minus 9 minus 1 by 4, that is minus 10 by 4, that is equal to minus 5 upon 2. Hence, the roots of given quadratic equations are minus 2 and minus 5 by 2.